How to play Brawl Stars on the PC. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go into your Google or any browser that you are using, and from here you have to search for the Brawl Stars. Now from here you have to click on this first link of the Brawl Star X Supercell. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit, and here is the option of the get it on the Google Play. You have to tap on it. Now from here you have to simply click on the install, and from here you have the option to install the Brawl Star. You just have to click on it. Now in some cases the app is not available for all of the devices, so what you have to do is open up the new tab, and from here you have to search for the ldplayer.net, and you just have to download this. So once you download it, you have to go into the info, and from here you are able to download the Brawl Stars in the LD player. So this is how you can play the Brawl Star on the PC. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.